I'm Steve, welcome to my workshop and to Furnicle Wood Stuff.
I was watching YouTube and something come up on my stream and it was Prokraft and there was just a recent video about a buffing wheel system. Anyway, I'll put a link to the video up above. But anyway, so I ordered one, and I also ordered a few other things while I was on his website. So first was a buffing wheel system, and this is it. So there's three sort of stitch mops and a bag of bits. And I quite like Prokraft stuff because you actually sort of you get all the bits and then you make the tool, which feels like you're contributing instead of just spending. Also, there's a couple of polishing compounds, a diamond white and a brown one. I forgot what he's called it now. But anyway, while I was on his site, I also took along with the pizza peels that I made the other week. I bought a pizza knife. Great video about that as well. So we're going to make some handles for that, and then a set of cheese knives and forks. So we're going to make some handles for that.
The videos for the pizza knife and the cheese knife will be available at a later date.
So this is the buffing tree wheel kit, and this is what you get in the kit. Three they call stitch mops, a bar to mount them on, a bag of washers, nuts, and the threaded inserts, and a couple of compound sticks, a white one and a brown one. I think probably coarse and fine. And some instructions. And because you send more bits than what you really need, I'm going to make it so you can put it in a chuck and put it straight into a moist taper. So let's go and select some timber, and I'll see you at the lathe. Just found these couple of blocks in the offcuts bin. I'm not quite sure what they are. Some type of hardwood. Looks a bit beachy. So we'll use them. So I'm just going to prepare them for the lathe.
Just turning a piece round between a couple of ring centres. Now marking out for the length of the moist taper. I'm actually using moist taper from a crown drive as a template. Now fit the new mandrel into the Morse taper. Centre drill. Drill. Countersink. And fit the insert in with an 8mm Allen key. Now for the end that goes into the live centre. I'll make two out of this. One's going to be a substitute so I can actually run the buffing tree in the chuck as well. Here I'm drilling out the centre of the mops with a 8mm drill. The holes that are in them to start off with are quite small, around about 5. Probably just used to going onto like a worm screw, I guess. So it's assembly time. To secure the wheels in place, there's a couple of nuts at either side to act as a locking mechanism. Then a washer. Then I'll screw on the buffing wheel. Then another washer and a couple of more nuts, and then secure the buffing wheel in its position. Then rinse and repeat for the other two buffing wheels. Add the end cap for the live centre to locate to. Nip up all the nuts that secure the wheels. And give it a test.
This is a piece of cherry. Now it's up working. We'll see how it goes. Never used one before. So we've got this compound, so I'm going to load that up with that compound. So we now have got a buffing tree. What I also made is another end so I can actually put it in the chuck if I'm too lazy to take the chuck off and put it onto the Morse taper. This seems to be working like a treat.
Thanks for watching. Please leave comments. I try to reply to all. Like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. Another video coming along very soon, and happy woodworking.